Hey guys, this is Daniel. I'm going to go over my trades with you really quick for today. I traded two tickers today. The first one was AIMT. I took AIMT as a 1 minute opening range breakdown. When it lost VWAP here, it pulled back a little bit. I went short. I put my stop loss above this moving average here. And then I started covering down here towards this 200 moving average. And then more down here towards this daily level. And then I was hoping to get to 32, but when I saw this wick here and it holding this level on the 1 minute chart, I covered another piece here and then got out with the rest when it broke above this moving average. It looks like it's about to break down again. The second ticker I traded was GILD. I took GILD in anticipation for a 5 minute opening range breakdown. It popped up and had this huge wick here. When it lost VWAP, it pulled back a little bit. I went short. I knew there's a possibility to pull back to VWAP. I would have liked an entry up here. I put my stop loss just above VWAP. When it didn't break down on these candles here, when it lost this level here and didn't follow through, I knew it wasn't as weak as I thought it was, so I got out at just below break even. And those are my trades for today. Have a good day.